The DS18 PRO-X698 BM speaker is a robust mid-range loudspeaker designed to deliver clear and powerful audio, making it a great choice for car, truck, and motorcycle sound systems. With a maximum power output of 400 watts and 200 watts RMS at 8 ohms, this speaker ensures a full range of sound, handling both instrumentals and vocals with ease. Its high-quality 1.5-inch voice coil is engineered to withstand high temperatures, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. The speaker's design includes a red aluminum bullet and a durable ferrite magnet, which contributes to its ability to produce a wide range of tones at high volumes. Upgrading to the DS18 PRO-X698 BM can significantly enhance your audio system, providing a richer and more dynamic listening experience than standard stock speakers. The speaker's dimensions and weight are optimized for installation in various vehicles, making it versatile for different audio setups.